a skincare or have a routine in particular?
See, in the busy day routine, we always think of, okay, I'm just going ahead to office. Let me just take bath, I'll wash my face and then come back, just wash my face and that's it, or that's enough. Or just apply some creams or moisturizers or lotions on the face, just apply some powder. No, skin is going to be a skincare routine, or I mean skincare, which is most important for all of us, so that on a long go, that glow or the radiance which is there naturally on you can sustain. So this is the reason why we have to take care of the skincare routine. Now, skincare is not today's world, okay? So it has been very essential aspect of the personal hygiene and beauty for centuries ago, even in Ayurveda. For example, there's a word called Abhyanga, that's the process, okay?
Correct.
So Abhyanga is a gentle massage which is done, which is a very ancient way of enhancing the skin quality, okay? Now, this skin quality enhancing, right there, in Indian tradition starts from day one, of course. So that sort of a skincare was taken even in ancient ages. Now, what do you mean by skin quality is about the 360-degree, what we see here as a skin tone, the complexion of oneself, the elasticity of the skin, reducing the dryness, removing the dirt. So, however, all of these is covered in case of skincare. And why you have to follow the skincare ritual is because it's easier to maintain, right? Now, you just follow those products into your routine, and then that is going to keep your skin healthy. There are studies which are done on this, which has a positive impact on the physical appearance and the personal hygiene. It, of course, it lets your confidence build in, boost in, it makes look good, feel good, and it also slows down the signs of aging is what the study says when a skincare routine is made.
जब आप स्किन केयर का रूटीन का अनुपालन करते हैं तो आप जो है बढ़ते हुए उम्र को भी कुछ हद तक रोक सकते हैं, इसलिए ये बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है। ये केवल महिलाओं या लड़कियों के लिए नहीं है, ये सबके लिए, सभी लिंगों के लिए है। तो हमें जो है हमारी जो त्वचा के देखभाल की परंपरा है उसको बरकरार रखना होगा। जैसे कि इसमें क्या क्या शामिल है, यहाँ पर आपको जो है स्किन को साफ करना पड़ेगा, टोन करना पड़ेगा, सीरम लगाना होगा, मॉइस्चराइजर लगाना होगा, और इस तरह के से आपको अपने त्वचा का क्या देखभाल दैनिक रूप से करने की जरूरत है। बहुत बढ़िया। और ये बहुत आप जब आप कहती हैं ये केवल महिलाओं के लिए नहीं है परंतु सबके लिए है, तो अधिकतर समय बहुत सारे आप देखते हैं, बहुत सारे क्रीम बाजार में देखते हैं महिलाओं के लिए होती हैं कहा जाता है, परंतु जैसे कि आपने ये कहा है कि ये सबके लिए होना चाहिए। तो यहाँ पर पहले कदम पर हम जाते हैं, क्लेंस या फिर साफ करना। पहला जो कदम है उसका क्या मतलब है कि जब हम चेहरे को साफ करने की बात करते हैं, और ये महत्वपूर्ण क्यों है? देखिए, एक जो फेशियल स्किन क्लेंजर है ये एक त्वचा की देखभाल रखने वाली एक उत्पाद है जो तेल हटाता है, जो है आपकी गंदगी हटाता है और सब प्रकार के प्रदूषक तत्व को हटाता है। और जो कुछ भी आपके चेहरे पर है, जैसे प्रदूषक तत्व हैं या फिर गंदगी है और वो आपके त्वचा को आक्रमण करता है, तो इसको बाहर निकालना है, इसको साफ करना है। और ये ऐसा नहीं है कि एक ही चीज से आपका ये काम हो जाएगा, परंतु ये जो फेशियल क्लेंजर हैं वो ऐसे क्लेंजर हैं जो आपके सतही गंदगी को निकालता है, परंतु साथ साथ जो आपके मॉइस्चर है उसको बरकरार रखता है। जैसे कि फेशियल क्लेंजिंग क्यों बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे आप जानते हैं कॉस्मेटिक का प्रोडक्ट्स हम जो है इस्तेमाल करते हैं, इसमें पानी नहीं होता, ये वाटर सॉल्युबल नहीं है। तो अब ये जो है वास्तविक रूप से वाटर सॉल्युबल चीजें नहीं हैं जो हम अपने त्वचा पर इस्तेमाल करते हैं। तो इसलिए हमें जो है अपने त्वचा से इसे निकालना होगा और अपने त्वचा का संरक्षण करना अपने चेहरे का बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है। केवल पानी से अपने चेहरे को धो लेना जो है पर्याप्त नहीं है। तो इसलिए जो आपको ये ध्यान रखना होगा कि आपके त्वचा में जितनी भी गंदगी है वो फेशियल क्लेंजर जो है दूर करता है, निकालता है। परंतु पल्लवी, जो नियमित जो फेस वॉश लोग लगाते हैं वो और क्लेंजर, किस तरह से इसके बीच में क्या अंतर है? क्या ये एक ही चीज है या फिर ये अलग है? देखिए, फेस वॉश और फेस क्लेंजर की अगर हम बात करें, इनमें कुछ उत्पाद बिल्कुल एक है, परंतु फेस क्लेंजर की अगर हम बात करें तो ये और व्यापक है, और इसके साथ ये जो है बहुत आराम से गहराई में जाके साफ करता है, और साथ में आपके त्वचा पर ये कर्कश नहीं है, ये बहुत मुलायम तरीके से आपके त्वचा को साफ करता है। फेशियल क्लेंजर इस तरह से थोड़ा अलग है फेस वॉश से। और इसके साथ हम आते हैं, हम टोनर पर। ये टोनर के क्या क्या लाभ हैं बताइए। देखिए, ये जो फेशियल टोनर है, जैसे कि जब हम आप जानते हैं फेस वॉश जो है हम इस्तेमाल करते हैं अपने त्वचा को साफ करने के लिए। अब फेशियल टोनर जो है हम हमें से कई लोगों के लिए एक नया उत्पाद है। फेशियल टोनर जो है पानी पर आधारित लिक्विड है, और आप जो है त्वचा को साफ करने के लिए और किसी तरह का जो गंदगी है आपके त्वचा पर, उसको हटाने के लिए ये काम करता है। और साथ में ये मॉइस्चराइजर भी एक तरह से है, और ये वास्तविक रूप से आपके त्वचा को तैयार करता है, अतिरिक्त रूप से तैयार करता है, जैसे कि मॉइस्चराइजर। और एक टोनर का ये मतलब है, ये बहुत मुलायम तरह से आपके त्वचा को जो है ताजा रखता है, और इसमें पानी की मात्रा को भी ज्यादा रखता है। टोनर में जो है आपके त्वचा जो है हाइड्रेटेड रहती है, पानी की मात्रा इसमें अच्छी रहती है, और यही काम है फेशियल टोनर का, जिससे कि आप जो है दूसरे उत्पादों के लिए आपकी त्वचा तैयार रहे, और यही टोनर का महत्व है। ठीक है। और इसके साथ मुझे अब याद आ रहा है कि ये फेशियल क्लेंसर हमारे पास है, जो आप सब लोग सब देख पा रहे हैं यहाँ पर। ये फेशियल क्लेंसर मेरे हाथ में है। तो फेशियल जो क्लेंसर है जो मेरे हाथ में है, जो ब्रिटी लाइफ का एक उत्पाद है, सुंदर सी इसकी पैकेजिंग है, और इसके साथ
Nishit,
ये आपके त्वचा पर बहुत ही नरम है, और आपके त्वचा के लिए बिल्कुल उपयुक्त है। और अभी अभी आपने फेशियल टोनर की बात की, ये बहुत हल्का है, और साथ में जो है जब से मेरे हाथ में ये आया मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, और इसकी इतनी अच्छी सुगंध है। और ये मेरी जो त्वचा है वो पूरे दिन इसको मेरे त्वचा को हाइड्रेटेड रखता है, इसमें पानी की मात्रा अच्छी आती है।
Did we? Bindu? Bindu?
Bindu, you're on mute, but we can see you now.
Yes.
yes. Yeah,
So I think Bindu
I hope I'm audible.
आशा करती हूँ कि आप लोग मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं। हाँ बिंदु, अब हम आपको सुन पा रहे हैं।
Okay, perfect. So, I'm sorry for the
मुझे खेद है कि कुछ मेरे यहाँ कुछ
and yes, it's my
शायद कुछ नेट प्रॉब्लम था। मेरा स्क्रीन आप लोगों को दिख रहा है? हाँ
Yeah.
ठीक है।
okay. All right. So, as I
जैसे
mentioned,
कि मैं आपको भी बता रही थी कि
the facial, what is a facial serum
आप
and
हमें
how is
फेशियल सीरम के बारे में बताइए और किस तरह से फेशियल सीरम्स का उपयोग करना चाहिए। तो मैं ये कहना चाहूंगी कि फेशियल सीरम के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं। फेशियल सीरम आखिर क्या है और क्यों हमें फेशियल सीरम का इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए। सीरम जो है वो नरम थिन जो है ऑयल है, ये ऑयल बेस्ड होते हैं, परंतु इसके साथ जो है ये इसमें जो है बहुत सारे एक्टिव इंग्रेडिएंट्स हैं जो आप के त्वचा को मॉइस्चराइज रखता है और गहन रूप से आपकी त्वचा को पुष्टि देता है और ये रिंकल्स को कम करते हैं और
moisture
उम्र
for
के
long
साथ
time.
साथ जो त्वचा पर दाग आते हैं उसको दूर करते हैं और इसके साथ जो है बहुत अच्छा स्किन टोन देता है। और फेशियल सीरम्स वो
Regime. So
वो बहुत जरूरी है आपके त्वचा के लिए और फेशियल सिरप आपके स्किन पर बहुत अच्छी तरह से काम करता है। और उसके साथ हमें ये भी देखना होगा कि ये जो है हम इसको हर जगह लेकर जा सकते हैं और जब हम यात्रा कर रहे हैं इसको हम साथ लेकर जा सकते हैं और जो है हम इसे रोज इस्तेमाल भी कर सकते हैं। जैसे क्लेंजिंग के बाद टोनिंग हम करते हैं और सीरम भी बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है हमारे दैनिक जो है त्वचा की देखभाल के क्षेत्र में। ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया। अब
next
इसके बाद जो है हमारा जो इसके बाद का प्रोडक्ट है वो है हमारा मॉइस्चराइजर। और मॉइस्चराइजर के बारे में हमें थोड़ा सा बताइए और किस तरह से हम इसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं, ये बताइए। मॉइस्चराइजर से हम सब परिचित हैं। तो क्लेंजिंग और मॉइस्चराइजर का बहुत ही लोकप्रिय है। तो मॉइस्चराइजर जो है मॉइस्चराइजर को हमें ये समझना होगा कि ये एक रोज के जो है त्वचा के देखभाल का में हम काम में लाते हैं। और हमें जो है
increases
इसके पानी
hydration.
के एक कंटेंट को ज्यादा करना होगा और आपकी त्वचा इससे बहुत नरम हो जाती है और इसी तरह से मॉइस्चराइजर काम करता है और इसलिए हमें मॉइस्चराइजर की जरूरत पड़ती है स्किन केयर में।
The toning, the serum, the moisturizer, all of this are so essential for our skincare.
इसीलिए हमें मॉइस्चराइजर की जरूरत होती है।
It is so well important, Pallavi, but I have one question still in my mind. So how
और कुछ प्रश्न मेरे दिमाग में चल रहे हैं।
times is, in a day is it required?
So all these products
हमें
have
कितनी
their
दफा इसे इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए दिन में?
as an individual products, right?
Uh,
So you might want to cleanse 3 times
इंडिविजुअली हमें
a day also. So as per the individual products also they have
एक बार भी कर सकते हैं,
and of course
2 बार भी कर सकते हैं, 3 बार भी कर सकते हैं।
serum and the moisturizer can be done at least 2 times a day. So that is how
कम से कम 2 बारी इसे इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए।
the individual products also have their basic, they need their basic cleansing. So individual
तो
products
आपको एक बेसिक क्लिनजिंग की तरह इसको व्यवहार करना चाहिए।
of its individual product benefits.
तो इसके जो लाभ हैं वो इंडिविजुअली इसके लाभ दिखते हैं।
So without further ado, the much awaited launch of all these products. We have already seen the launch of it.
हमने ये सारे लॉन्च देखे हैं सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के।
Beautiful video.
कुछ अच्छे वीडियोस हैं हमारे पास।
And I would be sharing the
हम
video.
वो वीडियो आपके साथ शेयर करना चाहेंगे। और ये एक बहुत ही उम्दा वीडियो आपके सामने प्रस्तुत करेंगे।
We wonder why.
हमें
Ask,
पता है हम क्यों कर रहे हैं
is it because
ये।
losing touch
हम इस
with our very roots, with nature and its most treasured fruit? We search for it far and wide. For that ancient wisdom, crafted with the purest of elements. This is the touch of nature, of care, of love. This is the touch of Ayurveda. With Vritti Life's range of luxury Ayurvedic products, make your skin feel loved once more. Vritti Life, the touch of
Isn't it
Ayurveda.
beautiful? A big round of applause to everyone responsible for this and for this amazing, amazing launch, right? Now, moving forward is our products in detail. I hope my screen
के
is.
साथ डिटेल में हम इसके ऊपर बात करेंगे और इनके स्लाइड्स हम देखेंगे।
Not yet.
अभी आए नहीं हैं।
And here we go.
और ये अब हम देख रहे हैं।
No.
आप सभी को मालूम होगा
Is the products that we are
कि
mainly going
ये वो
on.
प्रोडक्ट है
These are the products of
जो
Vritti
कि
Life. We have our cleanser, our toner.
ये कुछ क्लेंजर हैं, कुछ टोनर हैं,
In short,
कुछ सिरम्स हैं, कुछ मॉइस्चराइजर्स हैं।
CTSM, right? And it's beautiful,
ये
beautiful packaging. And
हमारा एक बहुत ही सुंदर एक SCTL
everyone
है।
do not delay.
इस क्षेत्र में
If you
हम
haven't got your products right so far, then please go for it as it is on our website as well. Let us talk a little bit. So far, we have been telling in general all our Vritti Life products. Now, we will be taking a little one step ahead in saying as to what are their ingredients, especially, right? So, moving forward, before we go, so Pallavi, we know all of these products are amazing, but how can we gain the faith and how can we gain people to believe in our products? All our Herbalife products so far has been amazing and it has been giving always amazing results. So for this new launch, what is that additional step?
Have lots to talk about it, Bindu. So the reasons to believe are in two parts. The first part which would be spoken is about quality. So we would like to emphasize on this part. The first thing is it is tested and proven. And tested and proven means, you can see the product labels over there, which is written as dermatologically safe. Now, what is meant by dermatologically safe means the dermatologists have tested that these products, when it is applied on the human beings, is being safe. So they have conducted the tests to see that the products are being safe on all skin types. The second one is to talk about the hypoallergenic property. Now, this hypoallergenic, what we talk about is, it has got very less tendency to create any allergies or any kind of skin conditions as such. So it is also being proven by the dermatologists who are the skin doctors. Now, the third thing is most important is about the clinically proven. When we talk about the benefits of each of this product, we want to emphasize to say that it is clinically proven. And what is meant by clinically proven is the dermatologists using the instruments and also their observations have taken the participants for all of these products and have given for application of these products, have observed them for hours or for days. Into different products have got different protocols, as you know. So that's the way the clinical study goes on. Now, clinically proven that these benefits can be claimed for these products. That's how we boldly claim clinically proven. You know, most of the products in the market, when it is especially out of the natural ingredients, it would be just a ABC mix up and then show it up there to say that, okay, this is mentioned with some benefits, this is published with some article, and so we claim the benefits. This Riddhi Life Ayurvedic Nutrition Products, that is CTSM, when we boldly say clinically proven, is only this product as a whole. This formulation is proven clinically to call out the benefits, to claim the benefits. That's how it is. Now, the second most important is about judiciously crafted. Now, the crafting means it does not combine any chemicals. It does not have any of those nasty chemicals when we call out. It could be parabens, sulfates, phthalates, synthetic colorants, or mineral oils in the case of serum. So all of these, it is out of all of these harmful chemicals. When you use it every day on your body, it might harm the whole system, right? When it is consistently used. Now, none of these harmful chemicals are used in our products. Number 3, ethical and transparent. We want to call out, most of it might be, but we want to call out to say that these products were not tested on animals, which are creatures just like us. We have not tested it on animals at all. And the raw material and the finished product traceability, which we call out. If we call out any ingredient in a product, the traceability of that ingredient in a product can be easily gauged. So that's the promise which we give, which we talk about. And fourth, most important, is the trust for efficacy, because more than 90% users have agreed this benefits, which we call out for each of the products. So this is about quality. Now, when you go, there is another part of reason to believe is about authenticity. I think, yeah. See, the authenticity, when we talk about these points which we talk, first is endorsing. Of course, this is the first set of products proud of to say that we have got it approved from the Ayush Licensing Authority, and that's the authority being, So that's how, until now, I think we have all polycystic products. Now we have started with the Ayush licensing, so that's the product approval we have got, it is endorsed. Number 2 is ingredients, which is principally rooted ingredients in Ayurveda, and that's how we are connecting to the story of Ayurveda. Number 3, the assurance which we give using the most advanced technologies while we formulated the modern science and the continuous feedback from our associates, which made it more stronger. So that's the joy, that's the beauty of Herbalife, right, Bindu? So we continuously collect the feedback to make the product better and better every day. The fourth is the commitment we have. You know, as a team, we have built it up, right? Everyone from concepts to ideas to commercialization, there is a design with a passion to come out in Riddhi Life CTSM product. And last but not least, it is verified and validated, because all the products which you see in this have that quality and authenticity. So, do you need anything more to believe these products or trust in these products, right? So, the foremost about the original, the natural oils which we have used as ingredients, you can see much more when we go forward in the slides.
Definitely. So let's start with the first one, the cleanser. So tell us a little bit about your ingredients, Vallavi.
Yes. The facial cleanser which you see, the beautiful green structure which is coming out there, has got neem, the turmeric, the camphor leaf oil, right? It seems simple for some of them. Oh, neem and turmeric, I can make it in our kitchens. No, it's not so simple. So come on, how many days could we make that? And you really want your turmeric stain on your face? No, right? So that's how the fifth of this turmeric, because turmeric as an ingredient is being explained in Ayurveda in the textbooks as a complex enhancer. Okay, so that's how turmeric comes in this ingredient when you wash it. So even in ancient days, turmeric is used so much. Now, you don't have to talk about it. And how effective it is on the skin, especially because before even Ayurveda existed, neem on skin was used in ancient days. Now, camel leaf oil, why is this especially to penetrate and decompose oil impurities from the skin. So that's how the camel leaf oil is also being combined in this product. And these three, ingredients make cleanser much effective to give all those benefits we are going to talk about. Wow. Yes. So the benefits you see here is about purifying and complexion I believe that it's going to be pure reflection. No. Yes. Take this about the radiance with the complexion and the radiance with you're talking about reflection, right? So that's how the reflection is only related to radiance of your own natural glow. Gently de-intensifying impurities and making it refresh. You wash this cleanser, you feel the freshness, and I think you're already used to it. And many of us have already used it. It really softens and supple and replaces the dirt, oil, utensils, oil, and all of the impurities. Now, once you cleanse, most products when you use, whether it is a face wash or any other products, you have seen that your skin is going rough. But our eye cleanser won't leave your skin rough or dry once you wash it. So along with the impurities, it's something that it retains the moisture on your facial skin, and those benefits are clinically proven there. So you will be feeling fresh on every wash of you using like facial cleanser.
Amazing, Pallavi. This is very amazing. And yes, we've been using it since quite some time, since the past couple of days, since I got my hands on it. And it is so good. Like you said, it makes the skin soft and supple and does not give us that drying factor which I have faced in the past with the other cleansers as well. So moving on, it is our next hero product. Please tell us about it.
Yes, facial toner just looks like a blue sea over there, right? So beautiful. Yes. The facial toner has got these three most essential ingredients. The first is aloe vera, the second is the curcumin, and the third is the potash alum. Now, aloe vera, yes, most of the times we hear, especially used for skin. We also use aloe internally, so as herbal product. But aloe vera, you know that it's most important ingredient to moisturize your skin, to keep the water content of your skin. And it has been very well established, written in our scriptures in Ayurveda that aloe vera is going to help your skin. It makes you look more glowing or leave you hydrating. The second ingredient is about the cucumber. Cucumber as such, just that we think about eating it and increasing the water content. It's not only that. Cucumber from outside as a wash and a leave-on product also, it gives you that hydration. Potash alum is the most astringent ingredient if you would have come out. So astringent products can generally leave those, that soft supple, and then it doesn't make you irritant on your skin. So it provides that instant absorption, especially when it is combined with the other products. So that's how the potash alum is also combined in this product, that is facial toner. And the benefits are also coming out to call about probably in the next slide. We have Bindu. Yes. So the benefits, you can see that when you just spray this, it's got a very beautiful fragrance which is coming out from the mandarin splash. Okay, so it just gets refreshed when you apply this Vritti Life toner. It instantly absorbs and boosts hydration. It's going to cool, smoothen, and soothe the skin. It makes skin feel clear and supple. So once you apply it and leave it for a few seconds and see your skin, it's going to, you can see that suppleness on your skin. And not only that, it's on the go refresher. You can just carry it with you, and whenever you feel, in most of the beauticians, probably you might have seen, you all might have seen that even the toners can be used after the makeup. Also, they would be using the toners around the face to keep that hydration all around, right? So that's how this toner is going to be not only into the steps, but also keep your hydration throughout the day. You can use it on your face as an on-the-go refresher also, because it gently conditions your skin and retains the moisture on your skin. So that's how the facial toner has its benefits.
Definitely. And one more doubt actually, Pallavi. So most of the time during winters or the summers and all, our skin goes dry. So I suppose this also will be helpful in maintaining our hydration of the skin.
Yes, definitely. So, I mean, using the cleanser and then the toner, it is going to keep your hydration level, especially of the facial skin, intact. And that's how you don't look much drier, or the skin doesn't go much rougher. So that's how it's going to smoothen and soothe your skin out of any of those irritants which is coming up from the external factors.
Wow, that is amazing. That is beautiful. Now, let's move on to our next best product, the facial serum.
Yeah. So facial serum, we saw that in general why facial serums are so important, right? So that has got the concentrated botanical ingredients into that. So in the same way, this miniature pack of 30 ml of our Vritti Life facial serum, like a bride, it has been there, red colored. This has got 4 most important ingredients: sesame oil, the olive oil, the almond oil, and the most important hero ingredient here is Kumkumadi oil. The sesame oil is the base usually in all those oils. Now this Vritti Life facial serum is a 100% oil product. This has got olive oil to bring out that smoothness, the almond oil which carries the nourishment, the Kumkumadi which has got almost around 30 to 40 ingredients into it. And you can see the picture of a saffron here, Bindu. So this Kumkuma means the saffron. So saffron being the main ingredient, but it has got all the other ingredients into it, around 30 to 40 ingredients, which makes it, it's a classical preparation in Ayurveda, which is meant for enhancing the beauty. Okay, so that's how Kumkumadi oil is a formulation which has been added into this formulation as an ingredient, and that's how facial serum is there. So definitely imagine the benefits of this beautiful bride Vritti Life facial serum, right? So
Definitely.
that's it.
And here we have this.
Yes. So the deep nourishment concept is going to come here. Once you cleanse, once you tone, you're just maintaining now the hydration. But when it comes to facial serum, it is that extra mile of benefit which you are carrying. That is about reducing the wrinkles. You get a radiant and an illuminating skin, reducing the pigmentation, providing even skin tone. So when we talk about even skin tone, I think many times, you know, there might be some marks. Okay, so there might be some depressions over the skin, right? So the skin has to look even. Now that is also provided by as a benefit by the facial serum. It's going to improve the texture, it brightens the dull skin, it helps reduce wrinkles. Okay, so any sort of wrinkles which is coming out of day and night chaos, which is there using any products on your face, or due to the weather conditions, or any stress on your face. So all of them might bring the wrinkles, right? So all those wrinkles are also reduced. Now that is being proven as a benefit that is clinically proven. Now again, I want to emphasize on that, saying that whatever benefits you are seeing here is clinically proven. Okay, so that's the deep nourishment promise. And what is deep nourishment might be a question to many of the spectators here. So there are the layers of the skin which we were talking about, right? The deep nourishment means the hydration level could be on the top layers of the skin. But when it comes to deep nourishment, the skin layers, around 6 to 7 layers, the study has seen that around 6 to 7 layers of hydration was seen. And that is how that hydration makes it nourished. So that's why we call it as deep nourishment. So the facial serum is most important, most essential in your day-to-day application for the skincare.
Wow, that is amazing. And making sure it reaches to different levels of the skin, it is very, very important. That's one of the
Yes.
main things we should always remember and see to it that we do not miss out on this step at all. Now, moving on to our final product of the CTSM range. So please tell us about it, Pallavi.
Yes, Vriddhi Life Moisturizer has got these 3 ingredients, the aloe vera, the almond oil, which are most important for nourishing and moisturizing the skin. But apart from that, there is something called Kanaka oil, okay? So Kanaka oil is also a classical formulation, which has got around 8 to 10 ingredients into it, including the lotus, the licorice, etc., which you would have seen in any of the other products or ingredients. So the Kanaka oil is a combination of all that 9 to 10 ingredients into it, and all this in combination with almond oil and aloe vera makes our moisturizer perfect. So that's how the benefits are carried out for Kanak. You know what is meant by Kanak? It's looking like gold, okay? So the golden
Wow.
color of complexion is going to be within this Kanak oil. And that's the benefit which you can see over there is it's going to hydrate the skin without any stickiness. Bindu, you would have tried your usual moisturizers which are there, which is allowing you to stick, okay? That chick pick is always there.
Yes.
So you would definitely not experience the stickiness when you apply the moisturizer. Of course, we all have different skin types. That could be normal, oily,
Correct.
dry, okay? So this, especially when it is normal skin, people would tend to take a moderate amount of moisturizer. Now, coming to the dry skin, they would tend to take it more. Now, when it is oily skin, probably very less. So they wouldn't require more of moisturizers. So depending upon their skin types, the amount of the moisturizer or the serum which they take, it would be definitely taking care of the skin much. So and when I say the amount of the skin customized to their users discretion, you know, I might find, okay, day 1, 2, 3, I'm checking that, okay, this is going to be more on my skin. Now you can reduce the quantity. Now, if somebody is a dry skin and if you feel that, okay, I'm not looking into much moisturization or hydration into my face, now you can take those products a little bit more, which is like explained on the product, on the label, product details is given, right? So as per that,
Yes.
they can follow the directions and get the benefits for the skin. Now, this moisturizer is again going to leave skin soft and smooth. It's going to make them more smoother and brighter, restoring skin natural glow. Come on, when we say natural, we are again talking about the perception of your own skin, okay? So natural is about that your natural glow which is coming out, okay? You had something. Now, until now, you did not get it out because of any of other products maybe. So Vriddhi Life is going to bring out that natural glow, and that's going to be restored, and it improves the skin tone and all these benefits. Again, reiterating, saying that these are clinically proven. Now, one more question, Bindu, probably many of them have is, does this moisturizer contain SPF, okay? The sun protection factor. Now, the SPF usually is there in most of the products, but Vriddhi Life Moisturizer for now does not contain SPF. So probably in future, we would bring it as a new SKU. Now, if anybody has this question already, please do take this, that this moisturizer does not have an SPF, but it's a very wonderful product to leave your skin smoother, brighter, naturally glow, and improve your skin tone.
Definitely. And I've tried this actually, Pallavi, when you had recommended it. And trust me, it is not like anything that I have used before. As you mentioned, the earlier moisturizers that I have had, it usually leaves the skin very, you know, so I feel like sticky feeling
Greasy,
and, you know,
sticky,
that's like
greasy,
greasy
yes.
feeling. Right, but this, it blends into the skin beautifully and it is long as well. It stays on long and it keeps my skin smoother for a longer duration than anything else. So moving on. Now, coming to the main part of it. You mentioned earlier, it does not contain any of the parabens and all of that. Please tell us as to in detail how and why.
Yes, see, the common claims which we would always want to make is that is the strength of this product, as I said. So first is,
Correct.
of course, the botanical ingredients which are verified for quality and authenticity. See, I was talking about the Kunkumadi oil and the Kanaka oil or any of those ingredients, right? It could be even single ingredients, something like neem or sesame oil or any of these things. Each of these formulations, even when it is a formulation, the ingredients which is going, I mean, the formulation which is prepared by our vendors, we are going to test those ingredients which are going to that formulation. So that's the sort of promise we have when we validate for the quality and authenticity of the products. Now, coming to the nasty chemicals which I talked about is, of course, there is no added paraben sulfates, which are most of times used as preservatives in most of the cosmetic or the personal skincare products, the phosphates, the phthalates, the synthetic dyes. Now, when you see, if you open the cleanser, you can see that the natural color which is coming out of the neem and turmeric, and definitely there is no artificial color into it. So that herby color or the appearance is coming just because of those ingredients. Now, no mineral oils in serum. In serum, the oils which we were showing you are right there. Kunkumadi with highest percentage along with the other olive oil, the sesame oil, etc., which were there. So there are no mineral oils to make your skin harm. Now, the most important is safety. Like as Herbalife, we are most focused on safety first of our consumers. So dermatologically, this has been safe on all the skin types. So dermatologically, it's by the doctors said that this can be used for all skin types. Hypoallergenic, I explained it that it has got a very, very low tendency to create any allergies. Clinically proven, again, we spoke about that is VritiLife cleanser, serum and moisturizer being clinically proven there. So these are the common claims which they can always keep in their minds.
Right. And along with this, now that we're talking about the claims, so we have usually during pregnancy, our skin nature changes, our sensitivity level changes. So what is our message? What is the basic claim for, is this products, can these be used by pregnant and lactating women?
So very good question, Bindu. So in fact, pregnancy is one of the stages in every woman, right? So pregnant ladies will have a sensitive skin, but of course there is no harm in applying the products. In fact, if at all they see any reaction, so we do have a patch test also, I think we are going to discuss about. So any of those who have a doubt of using these products can definitely check if these products can be used by applying it to their, we are going to talk in detail of the patch test over there. So here, I would say that pregnant ladies or any ladies want the beauty, want the confidence, want the skincare routine to be carried out. So that is always there. So using the products is not harmful, but if they confront any of, or if they experience any bad effects of the ingredients, so of the products, definitely they can consult their doctor and talk about it, showing the product details or the product label information. So that's the claim we would like to give, Bindu.
Okay, that's amazing. Now that the patch test that you were talking about, so this is for everyone. So please tell us in detail about the patch test and how to go about it, Pallavi.
Yes, the patch test is very clear. We have also placed it in website to use. So if anybody has a doubt of using these products can be directly applied on the face or something, we are here to support you. You can just do the patch test. The step 1 is to, of course, read the composition on the label. Step 2 is to dab a small amount on your wrist. I think we do it for any of our products which we use. The step 3 is leave it on for a few seconds if it is going to be a wash off, something like a cleanser, and leave it on for 30 minutes or so if it is like moisturizer or serum, and just see if there is no reaction, use the product as recommended. So that's the kind of promise of patch test also, which you can make it just before using the products if you have some doubt on this.
Okay, so that is amazing, guys. So always whenever you're taking, usually we always, sometimes when we see something new and we are not sure, we can usually do a patch test, right? But these products are amazing and it beautifully suits all our skin tones and skin levels, right? So definitely go for it. And next, coming to the directions of use. So far we've been telling about the steps. Now here we have in detail the directions of use. So Pallavi, please share us as to how each product is to be used in a particular way.
Yes. So first, of course, the cleanser, which is taken into 2 pumps of it according to the requirement and apply it on the wet skin. So you're going to make your skin wet, the face and the neck, and then lather up gently on your face, rinse it with water, and then pat dry. So this can be used 2 to 3 times a day. The cleanser can be safely, easily used 2 to 3 times a day. When it comes to toner, after wash, of course, with the VitiLife facial cleanser, you can just pat dry and then spray the toner throughout the face. And if somebody has a concern that I don't want to spray it, I just want to take it in a cotton ball, we also have the direction. You can just take it on the cotton ball and apply it throughout the face. And then you can follow it with the next products which are there here, that is serum or the moisturizer. Use it 2 to 3 times a day again. So that's how you will see the benefits of the product. Number 3 is the serum, which is like after cleansing, again, why people might have been in doubt. Now, why this cleansing is because cleansing is a basic duty which we follow, right? Okay. So using cleanser, toner, serum, and then moisturizer is a usual tone. But even if you want to use only as an individual product, okay, I'm going to be going to bed at night, so I just want to try only serum or something like, apart from the CTSM routine also which you are following, then very well also the serums can be used or the toner can be used. Now give a gentle massage when you take 2 to 3 drops or as required. Okay, we will leave it to your user discretion, because when you use 2 to 3 drops, if you feel that this serum is not enough to your neck and face massage, a gentle massage, then you can take more of it. Probably an oily face would require less of it. So that is left to the user's discretion. Now, just leave for a few seconds, you can see that glossiness and then just going on absorbing, and then you can see you can go for the next product. So that's how serum, you know, when you use Bindu, you have to indulge in that gentle massage. So that is the
Correct.
beauty of using the facial serum. So facial serum, when it is applied, it has to be applied in certain strokes of massage throughout. Men also can do this, of course. So that's how the massage from the neck and then the face. Okay. So that's how the serum is used, taking few drops in the palm or on the face directly and then use it completely. Number 4 is the moisturizer. Take a few pumps of moisturizer on your palm or the fingertip and apply on the face with a gentle massage again. So use it twice daily for the results, which you see on the benefit screen or on the label or on the product, any of the collaterals which we have represented in the website also. So that's how the cleanser, toner, serum, and the moisturizer to be used.
Amazing, amazing. And making sure that you have to use minimum 2 times. Definitely, I would be using it. I would be using these products as my morning and my night skincare routine, so that I make sure it uses, at least we are using it 2 times. So everyone, please make sure it's easy to remember. If you are confused with the order, as basic as C, T, S, and M. So it has all in the perfect order, so that you don't miss out on the order at all. And moving on, next, for everyone here. So Pallavi has guided us so well about each and every product of CTSM, right? So this flyer you would have received on your mail from us, the corporate team, right? So make sure you're saving this flyer. These products are available on our website as well. And if you have any doubts as to the product, as to what other, if you have certain basic questions about the product as well, one main special part about this flyer is it comes in 2 parts. As you can see here, page 1 and the page 2 of this flyer. Now, the main special part about this flyer is in the page 2, you can see here is the clickable links. These links will open you to the a question to the part where you want to see. For example, now I want to know about the FAQs of the product, right? So I just have to get my cursor close to the product, to whatever label I want, and it will open me to the FAQs. So if I want the FAQs portion, here are the FAQs, right? So guys, please see to it that you're saving this flyer in your mail, which you would have received in your mail, and making sure that we also have the SKUs also for these products, correct? So if you haven't bought our products yet, go for it and make use of them. And next time, we will see you soon with a much more healthier, with our proper skincare routine utilized skin, right? Now, if for all the people here, I hope you have enjoyed this session, apart from the little technical glitch that happened in between, which I deeply apologize for. But please do share your feedback here so that we can know what you loved about the product and which you're going to be using specifically, right? And make sure to log into our